Let me move on to the next slide. All right, so that's the part where I'm going to start talking about the ICS stuff. I see that one of my colleagues went offline here. I'm not sure. Well, it's okay. I'm just going to focus on my screen. Yeah. So let me look at how am I going to approach this topic. In order to simulate incident command systems, for example, in SecondLife, we had to start with a minimal set of content, and these contents were being designed by us and by designers that we contract out. And we have, for example, ICS vests that you can wear. If you actually zoom on the back of my AV, you'd find one of the ICS vests I'm wearing. So I'm actually wearing a resources vest. Amy had, just made a whole list of ICS vests for us, like maybe 50 or 60 of them. That really takes care of the whole range of functions of that would be involved in the incident command system training. So how I visualize this is when people log into this world to practice their whatever protocol, they will pick their vests and wear it, and they will know what their role is. And if they want to have more information about what they are wearing, then they can just wear this and click on the vest, and they'll have a notepad telling them their action sheet or stuff like that. Give them details basically about what they are supposed to do. Okay. I didn't want to spend too much time talking about why we need ICS, etc., because we had a real life presentation yesterday about exactly why we need ICS. Okay, so I'm not going to spend time talking about why we need ICS. Okay, all right. So okay, we wanted to implement as many physical behavior, etc., and I see people are already trying out the simulation out there, the consultation trainer. One thing I wanted to give you an overview of is we have actually here a model inside a model. So this is like to try, if you can actually have a top view of the model of the sims that we are currently using right now, that would be good. And if you have the top view of the table that I'm pointing at, just let me know. Just say yes, I've got it or something, and I'll start talking about the stuff here. Okay, so as you can see here, if you look closely at the table, we tried to build a model of the town. Unfortunately, we didn't have time to complete the table, but it's like a virtual sandbox that people are usually used to in training situations, firefighters, military, etc. So I thought that since we are all in this virtual environment, we need like a virtual sand table to discuss about various scenarios. And just to show you in this case, what we have is we have the virtual hospital here. And we were in this virtual hospital just a while back, and we walked in, and you don't see the globe auditorium, etc. That's because we didn't have time to build this. But on the town that you can't access at this time, at least most people can't, because there are quite a lot of things going on. We have like a police station, a residential area, a shopping mall, hotels, gas stations, school. And we are trying to build a frontier town, just to actually have our ICS sessions set up. And you can actually see pictures